Bond Maintenance Shampoo. You can purchase 4 and 5, and I also think 3 from Sephora, as well as online. Number 4, Maintenance Shampoo. Number 5, it's a Bond Maintenance Conditioner. A highly moisturizing reparative conditioner that protects and repairs damaged hair from split ends and frizz, and by relinking broken bonds. It repairs the hair maintenance bonds within the hair, adds shine, and it strengthens the hair. Okay, so I have done 3, and I did shampoo number 4 and condition number 5. So now I'm going to blow dry, and I will show you what it looks like. I'm done. I have to say it looks much more healthier. I need to take a little bit more time and blow dry it the right way, but I didn't want to make this video like extremely too much longer. But I have to say that it does look much more better than it did. I have such a bad colic right here, and being that I didn't like blow dry it right away, it made it look even worse of a colic. Anyway, I'm very impressed with the actual product. My hair feels much more healthier. I've always had fine hair. It's just a part of my genes, I guess you could say. So I have to say I give it a big thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. It's a great product, and I will continue to use it to get my hair back to healthy again. So thank you for watching, and I hope that everyone gets the right information. Well, this is the end of the video. I'm so sorry that it's so long. I just wanted to make sure that all the information that I am putting out there is the correct information, and it's helping others to understand what the product is and how it works. Any comments, suggestions, ideas, or thoughts, please let me know. Or if there's any other videos that you would like for me to do in the next few months, please let me know. I am here for you and gratefully here for you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you have not, please click the subscribe button and join this wonderful, cool family. Follow me on my social media platforms and my website. If you have any questions, hopefully I will answer those. So go out, be fancy, and be fabulous, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!